Today we are going to discuss 7 key facts about advanced tax payments. I have given different links and created different videos, which I will be providing in the description below, how to file advanced taxes and then also how do you really calculate the advanced taxes. The key point number 1 is any amount whichever is paid before 31st of March of the previous year is considered as advanced tax. So what is previous year here? So we are currently in year 2023. So the amount which is paid between now and March 31st, 2024 is considered as advanced tax. Key point number 2. In case if you are a senior citizen or if you're a super senior citizen and let's say you do not have any income coming out of business or profession, then you are not liable to be paying advance tax. Key fact number 3. The advance tax amount is really applicable to income arising of capital gains, income from lotteries, or even income from dividends. And often these incomes would keep accruing as we get through the financial year. So it is not really easy to get a complete calculation of the tax amount. So we can pay that as a part of different installments throughout the year. So in case if these installments are covered within the previous year, that means that as per tax rules, you have really complied with. That means you have 4 different options or the dates to cover out the installment amounts. Key point number 4. You need to keep in mind while you are calculating advance tax to consider also income from agricultural sources. So that you can have a right calculation of your tax liability. Key point number 5. In case if you have really defaulted payment on any specific date, then the installment for that specific date is considered as defaulted. However, you have an option to cover up that in the subsequent installments before the end of the previous year. Key point number 6. This is very important. So the key point number 6 here is in case if you have paid any amount other than the amount for penalty or then interest on the income tax, then that amount is considered as payment towards advance tax. And you would get the necessary credit out of that as a part of the regular installment. Key point number 7. When SSE fails to pay the advance tax within any of those specific dates, then he is considered to be defaulted and the interest would be levied on the advance tax amount when he or she is filing the actual returns during the assessment year. That is the 7 summary points which you need to remember while filing for advance tax. Do keep subscribing. Thank you.